Hi, and welcome back to the Data Visualization course. In this section, we'll go through installing R and RStudio. Now, some of you have already had to brush heads with R before, and may already have it installed on your devices. But for those of you who are just getting acquainted with the language and its shells, let's see how to get R and RStudio onto your computers. R is available on the project website, the Comprehensive R Archive Network. Just type r-project.org in your preferred browser and follow the link to the list of mirrors you can download R from. If the cloud-based mirror, which is the top choice in the list, doesn't work for you, you can select a country-specific source. That's totally okay. Once you select your mirror, you will see 3 links for downloading R, depending on the operating system you're running. Follow the one that matches your OS, Linux, Mac, or Windows. Then, select Base or Install R for the first time. Both lead to the same page, so it doesn't really matter which one you go with. Next, once on the new page, click on the top link. It says Download R, the most current version number for Windows. This will start the download of a setup file. Once the download completes, run the program you just downloaded, and that will take you through a familiar installation wizard. When the wizard completes the installation, you will have a shortcut to R in your Start menu and R in your program files. Awesome! Now, R is not a program or an application in its own right. It is a computer language like Python or Java. To use R, you write commands in it and ask your device to interpret them and act on their instructions. You can use R's own terminal window to write and execute code, but the interface is not nearly enough for a pleasant and even productive experience. This is why today there is hardly a person who doesn't use R with the RStudio application. RStudio is an integrated development environment for R the installer that works best for your platform and download the application. I am running a Windows 10 computer, so that's the best option for me. Running the setup will again take you through a straightforward installation process, and once it completes, you should be able to open RStudio. Show you how to make your way around the RStudio environment. That's it for this lesson. See you in the next one.